Hey, welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. We're at T-Zone, located on Lancaster Drive in Salem, Oregon. See the exact address in the description. Let's go on in. It looks a lot busier than the one downtown. Nice little, their T-Zone symbol and a nice little sign here. Oh, and there's the hours. Sunday 10 to 10, Monday 9 to 10, all the way down to Saturday, which is back to 10 to 10. Let's go in and take a look. Right off the bat, we got a lot of goodies. Nice t-shirts. It looks like some kind of, it's a heavy material. Nice cheetah. Dresses, skirts, refill boxes, and posters. Check that out. Smile, come on. If you're not having fun watching my video, check something else out. I know, that's anti-productive, but come on, smile. It's cool. I'm not going to take the time to go through all those posters, but I'm quite sure there's something there. Want a wrestler? Country singer? Elephants? Kiss your girl. Or guy. Or your dog, at least. Hey, you love incense? Check this out. This T-Zone has way more incense and some knives if you need, huh? There's one you can fix things with too. Small hammer. Do not get the butterfly knife unless you know how to use it or have someone that teaches you how to. Matter of fact, some states used to outlaw them, so please check your local state laws to see if you are eligible to own one without nothing. There's flasks too down there, more. Wow. All the flavors. I never knew there were so many flavors of incense. And candles. Ooh, look at some of these badges. And take a quick look at the t-shirts that they got up on the... Hey, Kool-Aid, who sees it? Put it down in the comments. And any other place that you might like to see. Coming up back on the incense. And then they have some things over here. What are these? Looks like, let's see, they say, I'm not sure what they are. Candles, I think, maybe? Yeah, oh, there we go, candles. Leave it up to me. Hey, there's something, though, you don't normally see. More incense. That's pretty reasonable. Actually, that's 100 count. That's as cheap as I've seen them all about Salem. So if you're really in the market for incense, I would say come to the Lancaster T-Zone. Bags. Oh. Beads. For these. Patches of all kinds. T-Zone is just so full of different things. It reminds me like Sid's Furniture. So full. Ghostbusters. I don't know if you can see those. There's a mess of names, name tags, more patches and badges. It's got quite a nice variety. Things to fill all your lighters with. Oh, no worries. Those are containers to hide your money in. Amen, not money. And they got a lot of dog treats even. Peanut and punk yum. There you go. Get something nice for your dog while you're in here. You got a dog. And I got a lot of different things in there behind. Oh, check this out. Whoop. Oh, okay, that don't turn. I guess I got it turn for you. Got some different things in this case. Want some pinky rings? Or, oh, look, glass rings. This is the first place I've seen next to the coast. Sunglasses, if it's a sunny day and you forgot your glasses. And we have this wall. And if you get thirsty, more thirsty? And this is more of those beads that were in those bags. Nice. And as you can see, we still got a whole wall to cover. Now there's some pretty fancy hookahs. I would recommend this one if you're looking, because this is the biggest majority of those that I've seen for a while. But if it's bongs, I don't know, this T-zone and the other T-zone runs a close second for regular bongs, as you're soon to see. Hey, there's one for Pirates and OSU. I know they're sports teams. Don't crucify me on it. My daughter, she loves the Ducks. I just like the beaver because of the beaver. It's cute. I'd rather play a sport. Or show you all the cool things I want. You like cartoons in DC? There's a Joker down there. Can you see it? If you don't know how to, you pause your screen and you can either take a picture or you can make the screen larger. And then down here, the pipes. Now they have a selection of pipes. This is, I want to say, more than the last video of T-Zone Uptown. I don't know. You tell me your opinion. Does this look like more or less? Hey, you want a Gandalf pipe? There's a Gandalf white pipe. And they got this case too. And we're going to go down the middle, showing you what's here. We got some boxes here. These, if I remember right, are called shake boxes. You can clean up your plants that you smoke. And bowls for different types of pipes. And we're almost done here. And one last row of cases to really show you. Mario and Luigi. Donut. And we are finishing. And here's the last case. Well, thank you for viewing Willis Talk. If you're needing anything that you see here or you just want it, it's a T-zone located on Lancaster Drive in Salem, Oregon. Stay tuned for another exciting episode of Traveling Salem.